Nepal, a country of Himalayas, lies between China and India, having 26 million of people with more than 100 ethnic groups and 70 different spoken languages. Nepal possesses some of the most outstanding biodiversity in the world, ranging from subtropical rainforests to alpine deserts, and proud of having the highest point on Earth, Mount Everest. In Nepal, 840 different species of wetland, migratory, and residential birds. Out of them, 8% of the world's population of birds are making their habitat. Lord Buddha from Nepal, also known as the Light of the Asia. We have nature, culture, adventure, and pleasure. Majority of the people are engaged in the agriculture sector. Water, forest, tourism are the resources of Nepal. There have been a tradition of mutual help of borrowing foods, vegetables, clothes, ornaments, and working in farmlands and construction of house since the social structure started. It led to separate group of cooperation called Guti, which was the origin of social cooperation and cooperatives. During 1950s, there were lots of international development cooperation started and foreign aids targeted to the people for their socio-economic improvement. First cooperative was initiated by a government project as Rapti Dun Development Multipurposed Project in Chitwan. In the initial stage, there were only informal saving groups promoted by the development actors, and they have no legal identity. Cooperatives are playing vital role in the community for promoting social integration.
हामीले लिएको थियो अनि अहिलेसम्म यी पशुहरू वहीँबाट ऋण लिएर आएर अनि हामीले पशुहरू किने हो अनि अहिलेसम्म राम्रै छ अहिलेसम्म.
Now, government has also recognized cooperatives as one of the major pillars of national economic development. National Plan has been regularly giving priority for the cooperative development as a means of change in the community. In 1988, Nepal Federation of Savings and Credit Cooperatives Unions, NEFSCUN, was initiated to formalize those informal saving groups, to protect their savings and channelize into the national network, which was supported by USC Canada and ACU. Later, it became National Apex Body of Savings and Credit Cooperative Societies, SACOS. After the restoration of democracy in 1990, People-Centered Cooperative Act promulgated and people felt new cooperative really can bring the change. As a result, more than 26,000 cooperatives are registered under this act and helping people to help themselves. Among 26,000 cooperatives are registered, it has counted more than 12,000 are savings and credit cooperatives, SACOS, in Nepal, which are providing services for the social, economical, and cultural change. Lobbying and advocacy, as NEFSCUN is the Federation of SACOS, initiates various policy lobbying and advocacy for the favorable growth of the movement. Banking service. Members can deposit and take loan from this business. 650 million savings mobilized, which is providing financial bridging facility to the members. Training and education. Various types of awareness raising, capacity building, human resource development, and competency courses enabling members' capacities to provide quality services in the community. More than 50,000 leaders and management trained by our effort. Technology enhancement, computerized cooperative accounting system and member information system supporting members to address the technological needs. Now we are providing computerized accounting support to more than 200 cooperatives. Standardization, quality assuring tools and branding of members' product and services. These tools building image and promoting governance in the societies. 5 SACCOs received brand and 40 are waiting for the accreditation. Microfinance, to provide financial service to the haveless people, especially low-income women. Nefskun is promoting microfinance service since 2001 and more than 165,000 haveless people have access to the cooperatives and start micro-entrepreneur.
महिला समूहहरू अहिले हामीहरूको 200 भन्दा बढी महिला समूहहरू भइसकेको छ। यो पहिला अन्तर्गत सदस्यमा सीमित रहेको कोलमश्वर साकोस अहिले लघु वित्त महिला समूहहरू सञ्चालन गरेको छ।
Cooperative Members Security Policy, a micro-insurance product to cover the low-income people. Now, 3,000 cooperatives members are being protected through 68 SACCOs.
बचत तथा ऋण सहकारी संस्थाले चाहिँ सहकारी सुरक्षा योजना ल्याएको छ। यस सहकारी सुरक्षा योजनामा चाहिँ सर्वप्रथम त हामी महिलाहरूले पनि अत्यन्त सानो माइक्रो बिमा चाहिँ गर्न पाएको छौं।
Agri-Finance, promotional program for investing members' effort to agricultural area for the adoption of new technology and to support policy framework to the member societies. Nefskun is working with the collaboration of ACU. Stabilization Fund, to protect the people's investment and savings. Intensive monitoring and supervision strategy has been applied. Now, Nefskun has reached more than 1,800 member societies and 52 district unions covering 1 million of people within the country. Out of 4 million people directly benefited by the cooperatives, it counts half of the members getting financial services through savings and credit cooperatives. Out of 50,000 directly created jobs in the cooperatives, more than 25,000 work in savings and credit cooperatives. Nefskun provides 10,000 advanced level capacity building training to the leaders and staffs. Cooperative enterprise builds a better world, and cooperatives are the hope of the people. Despite the challenges are ahead, we are sure we will help people and bring the change in the community.
ऋण लिएर फसल सुरु गरेको हो। त्यहीबाटै यो फसल बढ्दै गएको बढाउँदै छु हैन। मैले किस्ता टाइममा तिरेको छु। अलि सस्तो पनि छ ब्याज। त्यसबाट सजिलो पनि भइछ।
बोले